Hi, my name is Sarah and I'm an inside sales manager with MagTorch. Today I'm here to talk to you about our pocket torch. This pocket torch is super convenient, has a keychain so that you can hook it to your backpack when you go camping, you can throw it in your tackle box when you're fishing, you can burn your rope if you need to, and you can even light your birthday candle. The torch is also refillable with our butane. You can see the refiller port if you get nice and close on the bottom, and has a nice safety lock option on the top. In order to start this torch, right here there's a button and it actually says push. So we push this button, opens up the top of the torch, and then you actually continue to hold down that push button while you're pressing down the igniter. As you can see, it has a nice high flame that is windproof, which is super convenient if you're in high altitudes. And when you release that igniter, the torch actually dissipates the flame on its own. You can then close it so that it doesn't light accidentally when it's on its own. But as long as you're holding the torch, it will be lit. So I can use it to light, like I said, my rope on the end. And I can also use it to light my birthday candle. For more information on this torch and more, please visit our website at magtorch.com.